Hi dear Virgo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal weekly reading, Osho's and Tarot weekly reading for all the Virgo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. I'm going to pull one card for each day. You can take it as guidance, messages, or warnings, whatever you feel like, according to your energies. Okay, and come back after 18th and check out the video once more, like if it was resonating with you at on that particular day, or you can check it day by day, like on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and let me know in the comment section how it goes, so that we can keep on continuing this reading. I'm planning to do this reading every Sunday, okay, so that we can check out the energies for each day from 12 till 18th, right now. Okay, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, let's start, honey. Virgo, from 12th till the 18th. What are the messages for you guys? One day at a time. One more shuffle. Okay. 12th, we have the miser. Okay. On the 12th of August, you are going to feel like something is weighing you down big time. It's like you are taking a lot of burden. You are taking a lot of burden, some kind of energies. You're trying to save something or trying to save someone, might be, and you are in this energy of no matter what, I'm not going to let go of this particular person or situation. For some of you, it is your financial situation that you are dealing with, and you are trying your best to save as much as you can, because right now you are not able to either invest more or save more. But you are going to be in this misery kind of energy, like, okay, this is the only thing that is left for me, so I'm going to take it, like I'm never letting go of this, or I'm never allowing to let go of this. Okay, whatever it is, it's like a little bit of miserable energy for you guys for the 12th of August. We have the 13th of August celebration. Okay, so for 13th of August, I do see you celebrating some kind of success, victory. For some of you, it's a job or promotion. For some of you, it's like you spending time with your family, you spending time with your friends, you spending time with people who are like family to you, or people who likes you, or people who are going to make you feel very good about you. It's like celebration time, some kind of joy, some kind of celebration. Okay, again, it could be a job promotion, salary hike, or you might be feeling like going out and having fun with friends, or simply just enjoying life. Okay, simply having a good company. Okay, 12, 13. 14th of August, we have the aloneness. On the 14th of August, you're going to, aloneness is not a bad thing in this particular deck, in Osho's and Tarot. Aloneness is something you choosing for yourself, because you want to detach yourself from the day to day life, from the day to day activities, and right now you just want to um, enjoy your loneliness, enjoy yourself as much as you can, thinking about the future direction of your life, being your own light in this cruel world kind of a thing. And you are going to go on the soul searching journey, Virgo. You are going to find yourself detaching from people, situations, or things that's not matching with your vibes or your energies anymore. It's not a bad thing, it's actually a very good thing. You can take it as message or guidance, however you feel like. Okay, let's see for 15th what we have. Okay, okay, this is just give me a second. Okay, so for 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, we have the schizophrenia. Okay, so in this card, the message here is that you have to let go of the delusions and the illusions and the belief systems that you have made, that this is the only truth, or this is the only solution, or this is something that is the only ultimate truth. You are living in some kind of delusion or illusion. You are trying to make the best decision here, but you are not able to do that until unless you are going to jump off this cliffs, this hard rock bottom, hard rock places. This man, if you can see this man stuck between these two places, he have to let go of the legs and the hands both together, and he have to follow his heart instead of living in any kind of belief system or delusion or illusion. He have to follow his heart. So on the 15th, 12, 13, 14, yeah, on the 15th of August, you have to follow your heart. If your heart is telling you to do something and to go in a direction, do that, but don't be in any kind of delusion or illusion. Basically it's a disease. A lot of you might no, it's a disease in which a patient lives in delusion or hallucinations which are not true at all. So you guys have to come out of the delusions or hallucinations that you guys are creating in your own mind, and you know that's not truth. Okay, so follow your heart, but at the same time don't live in any kind of illusions or delusions, and be in the truth of the situation. This is what I'm getting here. Cool. So we have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have the silence. On the 16th of August, you are going to find yourself in this energy of being very silent, or going inside of you, trying to find your own answers, trying to find your own answers within yourself as much as you can, asking yourself a very difficult questions, trying to find your answers, like why the hell I did what I did, or why the hell what is happening with me is happening right now, or what went wrong, or what I can do in order to make my life more peaceful, and all these kind of questions. Or if you are getting restless and impatient, then be silent, be with yourself, and find the answers within yourself instead of trying to find it somewhere else. Okay, go watch the night sky, go watch the stars, go watch the moon. That is also going to help you a lot. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17th, we have the totality. I think you need help. Okay, on 17th of August, if you're going to take help from other people in order to achieve your goals or achieve your things that you are trying to achieve, you have to take the help. If you are going to feel like you will be able to accomplish everything by yourself, it's not possible. It's not possible. Totality means you need to be total with the universe, be one with the universe, be one with the existence. And that also means that you have to take help from other people who can actually help you in your journey. Okay, so other people are also like souls, other people are also part of existence. So take help from people who can help you in moving to the next chapter of your life in some way, shape, or form. See, it's like this person is not able to grab this person's hand here. If you are able to see that he or she is trying his best but is not able to do that, until unless you are going to grab those hands, this whole act is not going to be finished or complete. Okay, so to finish this act, to complete this act, you need to take help from somebody. Okay, on the 18th of August, we have abundance. So you are going to either you will be able to get some kind of promotion, or you're going to get some kind of salary hike, or if you're waiting for some kind of job or career opportunity, you will be able to do that. But in some way, shape, or form, you will be able to find some kind of prosperity and abundance, or you will be able to go to the next chapter of your life in a very positive way on the 18th of August. So this is what I have for you for this week. For this week, hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.